When I just came for the consultation, so after I decided to go for the SMART FUE technique, and this is 7 months later, you see my hairline. Thank you, Glojas, to give me back my hairline.
The result is amazing, and I want to say thank you for the good job. Thank you.
I got very good feedback from my friends and relatives as well in terms of the hair consistency and the look of the hair. So I would like to thank the Glojas team for an excellent job that they have done. Thank you, Team Glojas.